Today I'm going to show you an exercise that has a few different modifications. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So step 1 is going to be where you're on your toes and your fingertips, knees straight, and you're coming out slowly until you are on your palms, and you come into a push-up position. Hold it. I would suggest hold as long as you possibly can, and then start your way back. And then put your heels down, come up. So that's 1. The second is doing the same thing, but you're going to extend your arms. So what we're going to do here, slow on the toes, fingertips to palms, and now you're going to extend as far as you can. And then you're slowly going to come back, palms, on your toes, fingertips, and back. So third, you can practice this up against the wall. What you're going to do is, as you build your strength on the second part, the third part is now going to use the ball and extend it as far as you can. Slow. You put one hand on one side, you roll it out, put your weight on it. Further past you, the further you go, the more of a workout. And then bring it back. Everybody that I work out with says this is one of the toughest things to do. And what I would suggest is start small. Work from the beginning, and little by little, you'll be able to use a weighted ball and roll it out as far as you can.